Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langat Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about benzylic acid rearrangement. You know rearrangement because I have discussed in the previous video what is the rearrangement. So today I will focus on benzylic acid rearrangements. So what is benzylic acid and what rearrangement is associated with it? So this is a rearrangement of an alpha diketone. You see, this is diketone. One CO is here, another CO is diketone, side by side CO groups, diketone. Alpha diketone in base to give an alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. You see, this is carboxylic acid, this is alpha position, and this is hydroxy, alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. So conversion from diketone to alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid is known as benzylic acid arrangement. The reaction gets its name from the reactions of benzyl to give benzylic acid. This is benzyl and this is benzylic acid. The mechanism involves nucleophilic additions of the base to one carbonyl group followed by transfer of the substituents on the carbon to the adjacent carbon. So friend, focus on this moiety. That is very important moiety if you are preparing for NET examination. This diketone, how it is converted into carboxylic acid, and this carbon have the OH group. So now you see the mechanisms. This OH approaching on this carbonyl carbon and forming bond between oxygen and carbon, and this shifting of double bond on oxygens. In the next step, this is again forming double bonds, and meanwhile this is shifting of phenyl group on this carbon and double bond shift on oxygen and forming such type of rearranged products. Now you see how this phenyl group shift on this carbon, and that is very important if you are studying the benzylic acid rearrangement. So final step under the reaction conditions are protonation of the alkoxide and deprotonation of the carboxylic acid to give corresponding carboxylic or carboxylate salt. Now you see, this is the conversions benzene to benzylic acid in the presence of base sodium hydroxide, water, and then hydrolysis. You see here, this is benzene, side by side keto group is here, and the presence of KOH forming arranged product, rearranged products. Now potassium salt of benzylic acid, and then treatment with acid, you will get this salt will remove the into benzylic acid. This is potassium salt of benzylic acid. Now it becomes benzylic acid. So reaction is same, only you just remember the equilibrium, how this is forming this product, and after this product how the rearrangement of phenyl occurs and potassium benzylate and react with the acid forming the benzylic acid. So conversion from diketone to alpha hydroxy acid is known as benzylic acid rearrangement. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe it and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.